Hello, welcome. I am super excited that you made it to this level, alright? My name is Arachie Augustine and I am going to be your host in this training, okay? So before we get started, let me lay a little foundation, okay? The app that we're going to be using for this training is called Canva, okay? It's called Canva. As you may know, there are so many apps that you can use in designing so many things, but the app that we are specifically going to use for this training is called Canva, all right? Canva is an online app, okay, where you can make use of millions of templates depending on the kind of Canva you're using. They have Canva Pro and they have Canva Free, okay? So depending on what you're using. So in the Canva Free, you have thousands of templates that you can also make use of, but the features that it's open to you, it's going to be limited, okay? For example, you cannot change the background, okay? You cannot change the background of a picture or a flyer that you're designing. You cannot resize, okay? And all the templates in Canva are not going to be open for you to use until you subscribe to the Pro plan. I am going to come to the Pro plan of Canva and how to get it at the end of this video, okay? So stay tuned. Watch this video till the end so that you get all the value that is required. All right, so what I need you to do now is just to go to Play Store or go to Apple Store and download Canva, okay? Download Canva, open an account. The download and the opening of account is free, okay? So as you're watching the video, you will be implementing what you're going to be seeing. My promise to you is that at the end of this video, you're going to learn a lot about designing, okay? So let's get right in. I'm going to be showing you the Canva interface and how it works, all right? So by now I'm sure you must have downloaded the Canva app, all right? This is the Canva app here. So just open it. When you open it, you're going to see menu, my projects, then your projects, then home. All right, so under the home, you're going to see so many things. All these things are templates that you can decide to customize on your own. All right, you can customize all these templates, but we are coming right to it. So when you go to your project, you see all the designs that you've made thus far. All right, you see all your designs, you see all your uploads. Okay, for example, I designed this one beginning of this week. It's a YouTube thumbnail for my video on YouTube, all right? So I designed this using Canva. Then when you go to your menu, that's where you're going to see your settings, where to log out, the different teams you belong to and different classes. And that reminds me, for those who have already paid for the Canva Pro plan, once you click on this icon here, once you click here, okay, you're going to see option to select the theme or to switch your theme, all right? So for example, my personal, I have 2 accounts. Let me go to my personal. If you switch to my personal and if you're using the free plan, you're going to see a prompt for you to go to Canva Pro, all right? So you're going to see this prompt here for you to go to Canva Pro, okay? This place. So once you click, you're going to see design like a professional, upgrade now, and stuff like that. But if you switch over to one of my own teams, let me switch to my paid teams. I'm going to switch to this, okay? Once I switch, that upgrade to Canva Pro will no longer be there. And you have access to use everything on the platform. All the templates, you can use everything that you're seeing here. I know it may be intimidating at first, but just don't worry. I'm going to show you how to design any flyer using templates within 5 minutes or within 10 minutes, depending on your niche or depending on what you're designing. So we're going to be designing 2 flyers. Okay, we're going to be doing a flyer for fashion, those who are into fashion, maybe those who are selling clothes or shoes. Then we're also going to do a flyer for those who are into real estate. All right. So when you go to your menu also, you're going to see settings. All right. So from these settings, you will be able to change 1 or 2 things. All right. You can upload your photo here. You can see the people under your team if you're using the Pro plan and if you're a teacher under the Pro plan. So that's about that for the interface. All right. Now let's get right into why we're here so that I don't bore you and waste your time. Okay, now the first thing you would want to look at is this place. Sorry, the first place you would want to look at is this place. Okay, that is this area. Because we want to design flyer, just scroll, pinch, navigate through it with your finger, just hold it and roll over to the other side, then click marketing. All right, click marketing. So once you click marketing, you're going to see different things you can do. You're going to see how to design logo, how to design flyers, how to design business cards, how to design adverts, how to design certificates, banner, and so many other things. Okay, so what I would want you to do here is just to click on search. All right, click on the search button up here, then search for real estate. Okay, just click on real estate. Okay, so once you click on real estate, all the designs under real estate will pop up. Okay, like this very one here, this one you can't use it because it is Pro. It's only those who are using Pro that can use or that can edit this one. So any template you see written Pro, like this very one, also it's for those using Pro plan. This one also is for those using Pro plan. But anyone that is not written Pro, you can use it, but you cannot resize it. For example, this very one, you know, every flyer or every platform you want to post your flyer has its own size. Okay, it has its own size. Like if you want to post on Facebook, it's not the same flyer that you posted on Facebook that you're going to post on Instagram. It's not the same that you post on Instagram that you're going to post on Twitter, for example. So if you're using the Pro plan, you can easily resize. Okay, so just click on these three dots here. These three dots here. Once you click on it, you're going to see resize. Okay, this is a resize here. This is a resize. So just click on resize. Then the different templates that you can resize the design to come up. You're going to see animated social media, Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook cover, social media, photo collage, flyer, and so many templates that you can resize it to. So just look at how the flyer is. It is long. Okay, look at the length of the flyer. It's a bit long. All right, so I'm going to resize it to say Instagram post. Okay, I'm going to resize to Instagram post. So I'm going to click here again, then go to resize. Once I click Instagram post, which is the 1080 by 1080, I'll click on copy and resize. It will copy the original size and also resize it to the size you want. Okay, all right, so it has resized the design. So this character or this feature is available to only those using the Pro plan. Okay, now let's work on this design and see what we can do. Okay, let's work on this design and see what we can do. Mind you, you can change every aspect of this design. Okay, you can change everything. You can change the building, you can change the lines, you can change virtually everything under this design. Okay, you can change all these things. Anything that you click and it is clicking, you can remove it, change the color, change everything, put in your name. So let's assume the name of my real estate company is B&C Real Estate. So I'm just going to, once you click this design, click and hold it. Then once it's highlighted, you can now change the write-up. All right, just click and hold. It's going to highlight. You can now change it to whatever you want to change. You can change the positioning. You can do everything and make this design your own. This is virtually how I design all my flyers. I just go look for what I want to design. Maybe somebody asks me to design a church flyer for him. I'll just go and look for church, or somebody who is into cryptocurrency wants me to design a flyer for him. I'll just go. All right, I'll go look for cryptocurrency, find the one that suits what the person wants, and change everything and change some things about the flyer, and the flyer becomes mine. Okay, so we are going to change this flyer, change some positioning, and change everything so that it will suit what we want. Okay, so let's change this thing to A and B real estate company. Okay, A and B real estate. Okay, all right, so this is A and B real estate. You can change the character, you can change the color, you can change the boldness, you can change the font size, you can so many things. So look at this place. This is where you can edit everything that concerns where it's highlighted. Okay, change whatever you want to change about what you've written. All right, so you can change the font color, you can change the font size, you can change the spacing and so many things. So let's change the font size so that you see how it looks like. All right, so once you click on the font size, you can adjust this. Okay, make it bigger, make it smaller. So the choice is really yours. What you can do with this is endless. All right, so I've changed the font size to be a bit bigger. All right, then you can also change the font color. All right, you can change to white. Okay, you can change to this other color, you can change to yellow, and once you click here, you have the opportunity to change to so many other colors. So once I click, these are the colors you can change to. Okay, you can change to red, you can change it to red, dark red, white. There are so many things you can do. Okay, so let's leave it as it was before. If you want to undo, okay, if for example you made a mistake and you want to undo what you've done before, just click on this arrow here, just click on this back arrow here, then it will take you back to how it was before. So I'll keep clicking till I get what I want. Okay, so you can change, you can undo, and you can redo. All right, so this is the name of my real estate company that I want to design this flyer for. All right, so you can now change this for sale and write whatever you want to write. So let's say we give the best. Okay, we'll give the best. All right, so let me do something. Okay, because I want this the name of the real estate to be bigger while what will be under to be smaller. So I'm just going to write A and B real estate here. A and B real estate. Real estate. Okay, now let me change the size. All right, let me change the size so that it will be on one line. All right, so what will I do now? Just once you hold what you're designing, you can move it to wherever I want to move it to. Okay, so I'm going to move this one down. All right, let me move this one down. Then I'll move this one up. All right, so I'll now write whatever I want to write here. I'll just click and hold just like I did earlier. Then we are the best in real estate. Okay, so we are the best. All right, then I'll change the size, then change the color also. Let me change the size, make it a bit smaller. Okay, make it a bit smaller, then bring it to the center. I'll bring it to the center. Then I'll also change the color. I'll change the color to white so that it will stand out. All right, so this is what we have for now. A and okay, no B here. I'll have to put in B. A and B real estate. Let me change the size so that it will be on one line. I'll come back to font size, then reduce it. All right, then I could also increase this one a bit. Okay, let me increase it a bit. Okay, so this is what we have for now. I've been able to change the name and the motto of the real estate company. So what else can I do? I can decide to remove or change the color of these lines. Okay, let me change the colors to white. I'll change this one to white. Okay, so this is what we have now. Then I'll change this one also to white. All right, then I can even decide to change how it is. Let me remove one. You click on delete, then it goes. Okay, then you can extend. Okay, you can extend, then you can rotate also. Rotation, this is where I got, once you click here, sorry, let me use a pointer. So once you click here, it's going to rotate. Okay, so I just clicked and held here, so I'm rotating it to whatever I want to. So I can just rotate, then extend it this way. I'll extend it this way. So let me go back to how it was. I think I prefer it the way it was before. All right, so let's have two colors here. Okay, so the house, you can remove the house and change it. Let's say you have a house that you want to use for this. Okay, let's say you have a house you want to use for this. All you need to do is to click on this plus sign. Okay, click on this plus sign, then you go to your uploads. All right, you go to your uploads. If you have any, you can upload the picture that you want to use. You go to your uploads. For example, I have these pictures in my upload. I don't have any picture of a house in my upload, so if the picture of what you have is not in your upload, you can actually upload. Okay, I'll upload here, then I'll look for, let me just take any picture here and upload. So let me assume I'm uploading this very picture. Just click on it, then click on select here, then the picture will start uploading. Once the picture finish uploading, you can now use it for whatever you want to do. So the picture has finished uploading, so I'll just click on the picture. Okay, I'll just click on the picture, then I will resize the picture. All right, I'll resize the picture. So as you can see, the picture is now here. Okay, the picture is now here. All right, so let me upload another picture. Let me say I want to use my own picture for it. Let me use this one, for example. So I'll just drag and drop. Okay, once you drag and drop, it magnets the picture. Okay, so you can change it. Done. All right, so you can change the picture. If you have the picture of the house you want to use for the flyer, you just put in the picture here and we're done. So let me go back to how it was. Remember I said going back is clicking on this back arrow. I'll just click on this back arrow. I'll click it till it gets to where it was. So this is where it is now. Then I can also change this right up here. I can remove it. I can change the right up. So I'll just click. I'll say call now. All right, call now. Then I'll place it on the center. Call now. If it is too small, you can actually nudge it. Okay, that's what is called nudging. You can shift it using this nudge. Let's just shift it the normal way. Okay, all right, so now we are in the center. All right, then you can also change this one, change the price, start price, blah 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 blah. You can change everything here. Just click and hold and edit. So this is how you can design a flyer within 10 minutes. And that reminds me, this is how to use a Canva on phone. All right, so with your phone you can design this. Okay, with your phone you can design this. You can, this is more information. For more information you can add your phone number. So let's remove this phone number and add another phone number. All right, so let's shift this, then click this, then change the phone number. So let's say 070-5155-5153. Okay, then you can put in your web address here if you have. Okay, let's say www.aracheaustin.com. all right, so you can change where this for more information appears. It mustn't be here. Okay, it mustn't be here. It can be anywhere. You can bring this picture upwards. Okay, let's try bringing this picture upwards. Okay, let's just shift all these things to one side, then we'll bring the picture of the building upwards. Okay, then we'll bring this one downwards, bring this one downwards. All right, then we'll bring this picture here. All right, then we'll move this one. Just play around with it. It mustn't be how your design must not be exactly how it was. You can just change it so that it will have a touch of originality. Okay, so for more information you can bring this for more information down here. All right, then bring your website, then also bring this book now. You can bring this book now up and bring this one up also, then your phone number, bring it down. All right, so you have a pretty better. So we'll delete this and also delete this, then we'll align this picture. We'll align it because that's what is called alignment. Everything should be on a straight line. All right, so look at how this place is in a straight line. Look at how this place and this place are in straight lines. Then look at how this line and this building, they're in straight lines. So everything should be in alignment. Okay, that's what stands your design out. There should be alignment amongst what you're using. Okay, so with this, we'll have a brand new design. So you can just play around with it. Okay, so this is how to design a real estate flyer, and there are so many other real estate flyers. Okay, it mustn't be this one. You can go back, and once you go back, the picture automatically saves. You can go back to the picture and re-edit it the way you want. Okay, so let's go back to marketing. Let's search for real estate again. Okay, let's search for real estate again. The real estate pictures will come out. Just click, the pictures will come out. Then you choose anyone you want. Then you go and edit. You can decide to use this one if you want to write prices. You can decide to use another one if you want to showcase the different compartments in the house. So this one is for prices, this one is for features, so you can use this one depending on what you want to do. You can change everything about it, then make it your own. So this is how to design real estate flyers. Wow, congratulations, so you made it this far. So because you made it this far, I'm going to be making you an offer. All right, you know, at the beginning of the video, I talked about having different Canva accounts, whether you have a free account or whether you have a pro account. Okay, so the difference between the free account and the pro Canva account is that in the free account, there are a lot of things you cannot do. Okay, in the free account, there are a lot of templates you cannot use. So for example, any template that has a pro written beside it or under it, you cannot use it. Okay, so all the flyer designs that have pro written on them, you cannot use them. Okay, so let's take for example, so all these designs that have paid beside them, all these designs that have paid beside them, you cannot use them. Okay, you cannot use them. You can only use the ones that are free. So flyers like this one, it doesn't have any paid beside it, you can use it. Okay, so anyone that does not have all these ones, you can use these ones, but like this one also, you cannot use it because it has paid. Okay, and for you to get a paid Canva account, okay, for you to get a paid Canva account, let us see what it entails. So a paid Canva account costs 2,800 naira on a monthly basis. Okay, on a monthly basis, you're expected to pay 2,800 naira, which was what I used to pay before I discovered or before I entered into an agreement with Canva. Okay, so with the agreement I entered with Canva, I was able to get an offer from them where I'll be giving people Canva accounts at a discounted rate. Okay, so look at here. Okay, I want you to look at this place. If you're getting a paid Canva account for 1 year, you're supposed to pay 23,900 naira. That is 1,991 naira 66 kobo on a monthly basis. Okay, in a year you're supposed to pay 23,000, but with this offer which I am about to give you, you're going to pay just 3,000. Okay, you're going to pay 3,000 naira only to get a paid Canva Pro account for life. Okay, you're not going to be renewing your subscription. It is a life account for life for just 3,000. So instead of you paying 23,900 on a monthly basis, you're going to pay just 3,000 naira to get the Pro Canva account. Also, if you want to get further into learning more about the graphic design, there is a course for you. All right, there is a course which I prepared where I taught how to design flyers. Okay, I taught how to design flyers, I taught how to design logo, I also taught how to design thumbnails, how to design letterheads, how to design business cards, how to design invitation cards. Okay, all in one course. Okay, so in one course you're going to learn how to design 7 things: how to design flyers, logo, thumbnails, letterhead, business cards, and invitation cards in one course. Ordinarily, this course is supposed to cost nothing less than 50,000. Okay, but for the fact that you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you the course for just 10,000 naira. Okay, so for 10,000 naira, you're going to be getting access to the course for life. Okay, so with your 10,000 naira for the course, you're going to not just get access to the course, you're also going to get access to free Canva account. So what you're paying essentially for the course is 7,000 naira and your 3,000 naira for Canva Pro account. Or let's put it in another way. You're going to pay 10,000 naira, and in the 10,000 naira you're paying, you're going to be getting access to Canva Pro account and access to the course where you're going to learn how to design flyers, how to design logos, how to design letterheads, how to design business cards, and how to design invitation cards, okay? All in one course, and you're going to be having access to the course for life, okay? It's not a matter of learning the course and in 1 month the course is over and you won't have access to the course again. In the course, it is designed in a video format just like the one you watched earlier, where you're going to learn at your own pace, okay? You're going to learn at your own convenience. Whenever you're ready, you start learning and implementing. And also, you're going to have a live support group for the course, okay? So while learning the course, if there are changes in Canva, you're going to get access to those changes. If you have any question, you're going to get support so that you get your questions answered, okay? And also, remember, a paid Canva account gives you access to more than 100 million photos, videos, and elements that you can use to do your designs, okay? More than 100 million templates, okay? You're also going to get access to be able to magically resize your flyers or your design. So for example, if you design a flyer that was meant for a YouTube thumbnail, you can actually magically redesign it to be a flyer that will be for Facebook ad, or a flyer that can fit into Instagram post, okay? So you can magically resize just like you've seen here, okay? So Pro Canva account gives you access to more than 100 million premium stock photos, videos, and elements, okay? You can magically resize, all right? You can also remove background to any picture. So any picture you snap and you don't like the background, the premium version of Canva gives you access to be able to remove the background, okay? And you can also download images without background, okay? High quality images, okay? So these are all the things you're going to get from this course, all right? So remember, it is an offer. The offer is not going to last very long, okay? Once I get 10 persons who will take up this offer, the price of the course will go up to between 30 to 50,000, which was the price it was before this program, okay? So make haste and get this offer, all right? Thank you. See you next time.